shopping channel, and today I came to visit one outlet called Riddhi Siddhi. This is an exclusive wholesale outlet. Totally 8 episodes are going to come. One episode will be sarees and petticoat, and one more episode will be blousing and lining falls, and one more episode temple sarees, blouse, navgraha. One more will be handkerchief and nets. One more episode will be shirts and dhotis, wedding sets. One more will be chudidar, shapewear and nighties. One more will be shawls and Shriram shawls. And this comes in a street called Empty Street near RT Street, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the landmark. The landmark is Banaras Sweet House right opposite to me. You can just see there is a red color board, Banaras Sweet House. So this is a landmark. His Google Maps is there in description below. So when you come here, you have to just get inside this street like this. Just follow the location. So when you come little bit forward, you can just check one left will come. This is the first big left from Banaras Sweets. So this is a left. Inside this street like this you have to go. When you come little bit down, you can just check this is the landmark, Mariamma Temple. So this one landmark. So right nearby this, his outlet is there, and one more landmark is this Ganesh Sweet House. You can just have a look. This is also one landmark, Ganesh Sweet House. And when you come here a little bit, then you have to take this left. This is a left. Inside you have to take. So when you come little bit forward, you have to take this left. This is a dead end left, you can just see. And here his outlet is going to come, Riddhi Siddhi exclusive wholesale outlet. And totally this 6 floors, you can just check. This is so huge. All these things you will get over here. You can just have a look. And this is the address. You can just have a look. And here his outlet is there. So this outlet you can just have a look. Very big outlet. As I told you, all these products, 8 products, whatever I suggested you, everything you'll get total wholesale outlet. How much a piece you want, 500, 1000, 2000, 3000, readily available. Like this, they have more 2 outlets. That also I'm going to show you. Number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp, video call them. They are going to send you all the details. Delivery worldwide is there. Delivery charges will be there. And this one more, the outlet only, you can just check stock. They deal in multiple products, and just check this. Daily lot of parcel comes and goes to different part of India. Left, right, fully loaded outlet. And this one more floor, and just check the stock and the varieties left, right. Such a huge varieties you're having. And right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Vijay, and he's his son Pratik. Hi sir, welcome to my show.
Hi.
Pratik, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here?
So we are wholesale traders in handloom sarees, temple sarees, blouse pieces, petticoats, ready-made blouse pieces, shirts, punches, all of the handloom varieties. And then we have curtains, we have wedding sets. So we have a lot more items.
Kerchief,
nets, mosquito nets, kerchiefs, chudidars.
Nighties.
Yeah, so we deal with around 600
dupattas.
products.
Okay.
Nighties, dupattas and everything. So basically we have everything what a normal person needs in a day-to-day life.
Okay.
And also a medium range of all the wedding varieties.
Okay. And where and all your products will go?
These are all pan India, and there are also people who buy from us and then they export it.
And how many years over for you in this business?
It's been 11 years now.
And how much they have to buy online and offline?
Minimum order value can be 3,000 and above.
And no single piece, no retail?
No single piece, no retail. Strictly no single piece, no retail.
And
only for the resellers.
What is the timing of your outlet?
So we open at 10 in the morning, and we are open till 8 in the night. We are not available on Sundays.
And what time to what time they can call you, video call you?
Anytime between 10 to 8, that's fine.
Okay, so Pratik, in this episode, what you're going to show right now?
So in this episode, I'll show you all the type of blouses we have and all the type of petticoats we have.
Okay.
In blouses, plain variety, we have around 10 varieties.
Okay.
And in fancy varieties, we have around 40 varieties in fancy. And
Okay.
then we have petticoats. Petticoats, we have 8 varieties.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll start with fancy varieties first.
Okay.
So we have these kind of blouses. These
Okay.
all are 1 meters. All.
Okay.
We don't deal in 80 centimeters. 1 meter is enough.
Okay.
And all packet consists of 10 to 25 pieces.
Any starting price?
Starting price starts from 15 rupees. Fancy
Okay.
blouses.
All prices are different.
All prices are different. All prices
Okay.
are different.
Cool.
So see.
Nice. In this, how many collection you have? Like
Fancy
varieties?
blouses we have 40 plus.
40 colors. And each
40
thing
plus.
you will get different colors.
Yeah.
6, 8 colors you will get.
Definitely.
Okay.
Oh no, you have minimum 15 colors in each.
Okay. So this is basically fabric of blouse.
Yeah.
Okay, so people who want to get it stitched, they can get it stitched.
Stitched, gifting purposes.
Okay, nice. So like this entire box piece will come. How many pieces will come?
10 pieces in this.
Okay.
You have 10, 12, 15, 20, 25 depending
Option
on the type of blouse you take. Every variety has a different type of sizes.
And what and all fabrics will be in this?
So these are jacquard fabrics, jacquard, cotton, you have rayon, you have pashmina. There are a lot of qualities in this, which are infinite. So we club all together in just in one variety. We have prints with weaving also.
Okay.
So as you can see.
Very nice.
There are weavings and there are also print inside.
So once the final product comes, it looks amazing.
Yes, definitely. It looks very beautiful.
Okay.
See, I'll show you one more in prints. So see.
Nice. Lot of varieties you have, like almost.
Yeah. See, we have a lot of digital prints here.
Okay. You have what, 200, 300 varieties in this?
Yeah.
And you have plain also?
Yes, we have plain also. We have plain also. See.
Nice. So these all are the blouse fabrics. You can just have a look. So if you want to purchase like this, you'll have to buy. Entire box piece will come like this. Entire packing comes like this. 10 piece, 12 piece.
For example, if you see this is 21 rupees.
Okay. Nice. Each piece.
Each piece is only 21 rupees.
Okay. Very nice, yeah. Good.
And all are 1 meter. We don't deal with 80 centimeter blouse pieces.
Okay.
All are 1 meter. So it can fit everyone.
Okay.
So this is a small glimpse of all the fancy blouse pieces what we have.
Okay, and now?
So now next I'll take you to the Than variety.
Okay.
Just come in. I'll show you. So firstly I'll show you all the fancy type of Than variety. So these are the tissue.
Okay.
Tissue Thans.
Okay.
So we have different colors. We have some with borders.
Okay.
This is borderless. This is with border.
Okay.
These are shimmers which are used for school dance performances, other dance performances. So one more color in the plain tissue variety.
How much is the entire meter, like total how much it is? Meter wise?
Meter wise per Than will come around 12 meters to 18 meters.
And this is how much total, like in numbers, meters? कितना मीटर का ये full?
तो पूरा थान ये एक थान 16 meters का
16 meters, okay.
Yeah,
cool.
So इसमें आपको 12 meters से start होता है. It goes up to 18, maximum 20.
Okay. And how much collection you have in this?
Than varieties we have around 20 varieties.
So this all is Than only?
All these are Than. These are plain Than. These are cotton Thans.
Okay.
Different varieties.
Than is nothing but blouse fabric.
Blouse fabric, yeah.
So these all are the blouse fabrics. You can just have a look. So many varieties are there. Just check the stock.
This is one of the
varieties.
So see, there are embroidery inside and there is also print on it.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is one more color of it.
Okay.
Color of the same variety.
Cool.
So this is the jacquard Than, what we call it. This is cotton base, but the thread is jacquard.
Okay.
In these we have 80 colors.
Nice.
So we don't only have golden embroidery. We also have multicolor embroidery in these.
Okay.
See,
nice.
These type of work. And all these varieties are also available in pieces.
Okay.
If you want, you can buy a Than. If you don't want to invest much, you can just take one pouch of 10 pieces which have 1 meter each.
Okay.
So that will also do the work.
Okay.
It's also reduce your cost of purchase and you can purchase more varieties if you want.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can come in. I'll show you.
And this all is?
These all are the fancy blouses. All the fancy blouses. The whole variety of fancy blouses.
Okay.
This is one section of the whole variety what we have. Okay. Yeah. So this is how the plain blouse comes.
Okay.
This is 2x2 cotton. We also deal with 2x1.
Okay.
We have Terry Rubia cotton also.
Okay.
The price of these kind of blouses, Thans, good quality Thans with good, with guarantee, starts from 40 rupees.
Okay.
From 40 rupees we go up to 120 rupees.
Okay.
So these are cotton. We also have polyester. Come, I'll show you the polyester ones.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is a super big outlet. Wow. So much stock.
So this is the polyester blouse piece.
Okay.
I'll show you a color one. So this is called Roto.
Okay.
So these are used for shirtings also and all the different types of purposes inside shirting linings, suiting linings.
Okay.
So these are the Thans. These starts from 20 rupees only.
Okay. And this collection keeps getting updated in how many days?
So basically these are all only plain fabrics.
Okay.
So these are, there is no change in collections here.
Okay.
But there are addition in colors.
Okay.
So every 6 months, if there are new colors adding to the, according to the trend, they keep updating. So right now in every variety, we deal with at least 80 to 85 colors in every variety. And these are adding, year on year they are adding. This is one more polyester blouse piece.
Okay. Very nice. Beautiful.
And every item what we have is completely guaranteed. There are no bubble issues, color fading issues. Never. We don't deal in such items at all.
Okay.
So there are one more Than called, these are suiting Thans.
Okay.
So they make shirts, uniform shirts out of this.
Okay. Cool.
So there are so many colors in this. We have all the light pastel subtle colors what we use for office going. There are also bright colors. So Tamil Nadu, Kerala side they need bright colors. Karnataka a little light color centered. Yeah. So these are the blouses. So now next we can move on to the petticoat varieties.
Okay.
So petticoat varieties we deal with mainly 3 categories.
Okay.
Then there are subcategories.
Okay.
So it is casement petticoats, poplin petticoats, and there are shapewear petticoats.
Okay.
Okay. So casement petticoats are cotton petticoats,
Okay.
which are little thick.
Okay.
Which are little thick in nature. They also have a little bit starch in them.
Okay.
So these are the starting. These are the varieties, and it starts from only 65 rupees.
Wow. Nice. And in this, how many colors we'll get?
So in casement petticoats you get 35 colors. This is the standard.
Okay.
What casement petticoat provide you. They don't go beyond 30-35 colors.
Okay.
And all the varieties what I have 100% color guarantee.
Okay.
For sure it will not fade. There will not be any bubble issue in this, because casement petticoats there are a lot of problems where people keep cheap products and you get color issues and everything. We give 100% guaranteed.
Cool.
There is no issue in not even in any variety we have. Even the lowest variety 65 rupees petticoat is also a very good quality one what we have. This is the first variety. We have 7 part, 8 part. In every petticoat we have 2 sizes.
Okay.
7 part and 8 part.
Okay.
Yeah, so this was the casement petticoat we have.
And
Then
these
we
all
have
are the
2 more
colors?
varieties. These are all the colors.
So this all is petticoats. You can just have a look.
Yes.
Starting price is 65 rupees.
65 rupees.
And all prices are different. If you want in bulk also you'll get plain color. You can just see so many varieties, so much stock. And in this also, if someone wants 100, 200, 300 pieces, easily.
At present, this one variety only I have 3000 pieces in stock.
Wow. Okay.
These are all the bundles. So if you don't want selection, if you want all mixed colors, see these are the bundles what we get.
Okay.
These are pre-packed 25 piece packing bundles what we have.
In this you get 2 sizes. 2 sizes you will get.
2 sizes.
Okay.
Yeah. 7 part and 8 part. 6 part is also available, but only in one variety.
This all is also petticoats.
All are petticoats, different brands, different varieties. So as I spoke, this is one of the qualities.
Okay.
Then we also have a higher range,
Okay.
which is of Apsara petticoats, but those are just 10-15 rupees plus.
Okay.
And then let's move on to the next variety, which is the poplin petticoats.
Okay.
So these are our poplin petticoats. These are little thin in nature, but these are more durable.
Okay.
Durable
Quality
and
is more
comfortable.
good.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Cool.
So when you compare thin and thick, you can compare with how cotton shirts are, then how linen cotton shirts are.
Okay.
So this is that type of a petticoat.
Understood.
Very comfortable and all color guaranteed. You have small frills below it.
Okay.
See, you see the frills here, these details. Yeah. This is one of the variety. Then next variety is our premium range. These come single piece packing. And see, we have same color Nada. And these all belong to very good brands. Petticoat brands. See.
Okay.
And these are all true size 7 parts. Heavy quality per piece packing.
And what about the color fading? Nothing.
Nothing, not at all.
Okay.
Even 65 rupees petticoat will not fade. So obviously this will also not.
Cool.
So we don't deal with products which have any kind of bubble issue, color issue, none. All our products are 100% guaranteed with buyback guarantee. So if at all there is any issue, you can always get back to us. Though we have not received any complaints till date since 11 years. And then we have casement petticoats.
Okay.
Sorry, we have shapewear petticoats.
Okay.
I'll show you the shapewear petticoats.
So in this what comes, like standard size or what?
In this we have 2 sizes.
Okay.
XL, double XL. XL will
like
suffice for, yeah.
Okay. This is how it comes. You can just have a look. And these all are the color charts.
Yeah, these are all the color chart.
Okay.
So we have these many colors in this. So these are a little shiny, smooth. They have a very beautiful fall to it.
Very nice. Completely different this.
Yeah.
Like fabric, shape. That's why it's called shapewear.
Perfect for corporate parties and
very nice.
Evenings basically.
How many colors we'll get?
So we have around 31 colors in this.
31. Any starting price in this?
200 rupees.
200. Okay. Cool. And so in this you'll have how many? 20 colors you said, no?
We have 31 colors.
31 colors.
Yes, 31 colors in this.
And it comes in plain only.
Only plain. These are only plain. Only plain.
So in this also, if someone wants in bulk, easily available.
100% available. Easily available.
And what fabrics comes in this?
So these are satin and hosiery. We have 2 fabrics. One is satin and one is hosiery. So one has a little shine to it.
Okay.
And the
glossy.
Other one, a little glossy, and the other ones are little
matte,
matte,
like matte finish.
Matte.
Okay.
So there are 2 types of petticoat in these. So totally we covered. We have 4 varieties in casement petticoats. We have 3 varieties in poplin petticoats. and 2 varieties in these.
Okay.
So now we have ready-made blouses.
Okay.
So see, we have these kind of blouses.
Okay.
We have 2 sizes available.
Okay.
One size comes for LXL,
Okay.
and the other sizes come for XXL, XXL.
Okay.
So this is one.
Any starting price in this?
80 rupees.
Okay. And how many varieties will get in this?
So we have around 4 varieties in this.
Okay.
4 price ranges basically, but below that, every price range has different 10 types of items.
Okay.
So yeah, there are many varieties. We have jacquard.
You have 150, 60 varieties in this?
Yeah, easily.
Okay. And what and all fabric will get in this?
So we have hosiery.
Okay.
We have hosiery. We have jacquard.
Okay.
We have polyester.
Okay.
We have lycra. See, so these are the colors.
Size what
we
will get?
2 sizes, XL, XXL. So
Okay.
XL is suffice for L and XL.
Okay.
So these are the plain varieties. You can see the picture.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, and XL is XXL is suffice for XXL and XXL.
Okay. In this collection keeps getting updated in how many days?
Every week.
Okay. In this also every week it gets
Every
updated?
week it gets updated.
So if you want to start a business of this or you want to existing business, you can come. You have lot of varieties.
There are many more varieties of
you will
this.
get for good price and also you can make good margin. So Pratik, what about this section? What is here? All this.
So this is our lining section.
So much varieties. Okay.
Yeah, so we deal with around 5 qualities of lining.
Okay.
So polyester lining, terry rubia lining,
Okay.
and then we have 2-3 qualities in terry rubia lining.
Okay.
So first I'll show you the polyester lining what we have.
Okay.
So this is the polyester lining what we have.
Okay.
So we have 130 colors in this,
Okay.
and in this we have 2 qualities.
Okay.
So both the qualities look the same, but
Okay.
depends on the requirement of the customer.
Okay.
They can buy whatever they want.
Okay. And in this, what is the starting price like per meter?
Per meter starting price is 13.5 rupees.
13.5 rupees. Okay. And entire, how much is a full meter? Like 16 meter, 20?
One than is around 20 meters.
20 meters.
Yes,
Okay.
20 meters is per than.
Okay.
And then next we have here, these are the next range of our lining material.
Okay.
So these are the starting range of terry rubia
Okay.
lining. So this is the than.
Okay.
These are the starting range of the terry rubia lining.
Okay.
This costs only 16.5 rupees.
16.5 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So in and around, depending on the time when you're watching the video. And then we have the next, the most highest selling lining variety. This is this. This is the cotton mix lining.
Okay.
This is the only lining which is sold in bulk. We
Okay.
deal with around 150 colors in this lining.
Okay.
And at any point of time, you'll have as many quantity as you want.
Okay.
And all the colors. So this is the one.
Okay. So here one, how much varieties you having?
In lining, we have 7 varieties.
7 varieties.
7 varieties.
Okay.
So for ladies, whatever lining requirement is there, it is available with us. We also have poplin thans,
Okay.
poplin casement thans.
Okay.
So depending what variety people want. So these are also used for shorts, blouses, petticoats. This is the fabric out of which those things are made of. What I earlier showed you in the video. So we also have the thans for it.
Okay.
Next I'll show you the falls variety.
Okay.
So falls we maintain a total color variety of around 130 colors at present.
Okay.
Falls, there's only one thing that you have to buy it dozen by dozen.
Okay.
So we don't lose it. So per bundle we'll have 12 pieces.
Okay.
You have to buy the whole thing.
Okay.
So these are all 2.1 meters.
Okay.
And these are all ready to use. You don't need
Okay.
to pre-shrink it, keep it in water, check if the color is going. Not at all. Just these are all ready to use.
Okay. And how many colors we get in this?
130.
Okay.
130 plus colors are there.
Okay.
Keeps updating.
And any starting price in this?
Yeah, starting with 95 rupees.
95
We only give one variety. Ready to use is only
Okay.
one variety. It's a good quality thing. Then next are all the polyester falls and everything.
Okay.
But those are not much recommended. So we
Okay.
only use the cotton linings.
Okay. So this all is a collection of falls.
Yeah. This is falls. We usually keep falls. These are all falls.
Okay. So
We usually
this
keep
all are
in bundles because these are all set wise. We sell it
Okay.
set wise.
Cool.
But as long as you're taking the whole bundle, we don't have a problem with it. You
Okay.
can see here. I'll show you.
This all are the falls.
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
These all are the falls.
So much. All these crates are falls.
Yeah, all these crates are falls.
Okay. So many varieties are there. Yeah.
We have all the colors available. in
All
this.
prices are different.
No.
Standard price.
Standard size.
Okay.
Standard size, standard price. Only one quality we deal in.
Okay.
And these are the qualities what are actually required everywhere.
Okay. Cool.